Genesis chapter 2, verse 9. The Elohim made all kinds of trees grow out of the ground, trees that were pleasing to the eye and good for food. In the middle of the garden were the tree of life and the tree of knowledge of good and evil. Pansining mabuti na oras-oras ay nakikita ni na Adam ang dalawang kahoy dahil nasa gitna ito ng garden. Ibig sabihin, lagi silang nahaharap sa dalawang pagpipilian. Life or death, buhay na walang hanggan or kamatayan, tree of life or tree of knowledge. May choice na pagpipilian. Binaliwala ni na Adam and Eve ang tree of life bagkus ginusto nila ang tree of knowledge. Sinuway din nila ang utos at warning ng Ama na sila ay mamamatay. Anong klaseng attitude pala ang pinairal nila? Parang ganito lang po, titikman namin ang sarap ng ipinagbabawal.